Happy Saturday, y'all. Getting our iced turtle mocha. Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. We are in the Caribou drive-thru. Just finished up 2 yoga classes. I didn't go to my normal 7:15 class one, but I did go to my normal 8 o'clock one, and then I went to a 9:32.
Thanks for stopping by here. Do you have a purchase account we could check you into?
I have the mobile order for Monica.
For Monica?
Yeah.
Sounds good. We're working on that. We'll see you at the window, Monica.
Notice that I didn't say I'm working on it. So plans today, we'll do our Ross TJ Maxx, and then I want to get lunch from Chick-fil-A if the line isn't too insane, and then I have to go do my taxes. Tragic. And I don't know, the last 5 years or so, ever since I paid off my college student loans by myself, by the way, I've had to pay into for taxes. But I'm thinking now that I've bought a house, it'll be changing. And every year my dad nags on me because I use the software that's at their house, TurboTax, because I don't want to pay for it myself. And he always nags on me that I should fix that. Whatever tax form tells you how much money you should take out. Obviously I don't have something right there, and he nags me every year that I should get that taken care of. Do I? No, I don't. So I just got home from yoga, and Dan has already started on a new project. Isn't that light just gorgeous? Everyone wants that light. So yeah, this nasty sink, the nasty floor, all this nasty will repaint. It'll be great. And this is also part of the laundry room, which we'll redo too. So I wanted to show you guys one thing that we were working on today at yoga was crow. And I've gotten so much closer. I almost got it with props, obviously, but then even in class, I'll show you without prop. So I can get this, but I just can't lift and hold it. Whereas if I'm using this, I think it's not a matter of balance. I think it's just my core strength isn't very good. Also, I'm gonna start a video series because I really want to be able to do an L sit. So here's a picture of what it's supposed to be. I can do 1 leg, no problem. 2, no. But eventually, if you do enough of these, you get enough strength that you can hold yourself up like this and have both. So I'm gonna do a 30-day video series where I just focus on this because I really want to get it. Okay, just changed from my shorts into my tie-dye sweatpants. My hair is kind of a mess, but whatever. Just the same tank top and the same little zip up. Let's go to the Ross. It smells like fair food out here for some reason. Nothing too exciting. If these were in my size, I would consider. I love the purple orange, but 9.5, that's not me. Also, these Toms are cute, but they're not closed toe, so I would never be able to wear them at Walmart. I think I said toe, but I meant heel, but you know what I mean. Walmart dress code, closed toe, closed heel. Those are kind of cute, but I have lots of slippers. Let's go check out the t-shirts. Oh my gosh. Middle school me is screaming. Berries were huge when I was in middle school. I had the normal basic brown pair. My silver Sharpie at school always goes missing, so for $3, great. Okay, we'll check out TJ Maxx. A very boring TJ Maxx Ross day. I got the markers at Ross, I got those chip clips, and I got a little coconut pineapple snack to try. $3.99 seems like a good price. I know I like the pineapple and I like coconuts in the flakes. I'm not quite sure in bar form what I'll think, but if I don't like it, somebody at my school will eat my snacks. Don't worry about that. So just finished my taxes and I was headed to Walmart or a festival to get some snackies, And one of my friends texted me that she was shopping at Walmart and was like, yo, are you working? The deli's on fire. And I was like, what? No, I'm not working. I just spent $300 some on taxes. I love being a tax-paying citizen of this great United States of America. So I'm wondering what the situation is, because a fire truck did just go by right before I picked you guys up, but the fire apparently has been happening for a while. What an exciting afternoon. We are at Festival. Getting my favorite caramel apple dip and something to eat because the lines at Chick-fil-A were way too long. I didn't want to wait. Really exciting stuff. My favorite caramel apple dip, some pretzel bun sandwiches, a green apple, peanut butter bites, and the new Alani Nu. Try that out and see what we think. Oh, and you can see the basement right there. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, they had, there's that, and then there's a layer of plywood on top of that they laid.
Bye, old nasty sink. Old nasty plastic junk. Disgusting bathroom. Disgusting back here. Goodbye! The noise you're hearing is Dan tearing up that bathroom, and the bucket is also from that bathroom. We're gonna try our new little coconut and pineapple snacks. I think when I originally bought them, I was thinking it was like separately coconut, like a packet of coconut and then a packet of pineapple, like just a mixed variety. But no, it's like a little bar mixed together, and it reminds me of like bad butter, like when you leave your butter out for a couple of weeks and you don't use it. It's like those Caramel Delight Girl Scout cookies, but without the chocolate. Really good. So I watched the Taylor Swift Eras tour, and that was a great 3 hours of my life. Just wonderful. I mean, I'm really sad that I couldn't go see it, but also, like, who has $1,000 or more to go see a concert? Like, not I. Not I. The Alani Nu, it's good. Not Witch's Brew good, but good. I watched Divergent last night, and so I think I'm gonna go and watch Insurgent, I think is the second one, because it's on Prime Video and I got the notification. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at Walmart. If you remember from like one of my earlier videos, this main bathroom, the flooring under there is green, and Dan just found that the flooring in the bathroom downstairs was a real great shade of yellow. Happy Sunday. Here's our 15-minute break snacky. We love goldfish. Respect, excellent service, integrity. Woo, Walmart. So Dan has been busy. Let me show you what he's been working on today. So here's the linoleum they covered it up with, and here's this beautiful old floor. Yep, everyone loves a yellow floor. Can't imagine why we're gonna get rid of it. No, never.